Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my tacos dorados de picadillo. So if you want to learn how I make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. To make our avocado salsa, in our blender cup we're going to add 2 avocados, a piece of onion, 1 garlic clove, 1 chile serrano, a handful of cilantro, the juice of half a lime. This is going to prevent the salsa from turning brown, salt to taste, and we're going to cover the avocados with water or milk. Now blend until smooth. Alrighty, and just like that we have our avocado salsa, so now we can transfer it to our bowl. Okay, to make our picadillo, we're going to begin by roasting 5 Roma tomatoes, 1/4 of an onion, chile serranos or jalapeños. I'm using 1 jalapeno and 3 serranos, and we're just going to get them nice and charred. Okay, once everything is nice and roasted, transfer it to the blender cup. And once we have that, we can get ready to make our sauce. To the blender cup, we're also going to add 1 chile chipotle, 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 of a cup of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and oregano to taste, and salt to taste. We're going to be blending with half a cup of water. And now blend until smooth. Okay, once we have our chili sauce, now we can get ready to take it back to the stove. To our pan over high heat, we're going to add 2 pounds of ground beef. Along with that, we're going to add half an onion. Going to break it down. And I'm just going to be seasoning with total seasoning and adobo seasoning. Now we're going to cook it for about 5 minutes or until it browns. After 5 minutes, we're going to add 3 medium small diced potatoes. We're just going to mix it in and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove all of the grease from the meat. Now add 1/4 of a cup of chile verde. And we're also going to add our chili sauce. Now we're just going to mix it. Here you're going to reduce the heat to medium-low and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, check the potatoes and see that they're fully cooked. And here you can also taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect, so now we can get ready to make our shells. Okay, so here my oil is nice and hot. I'm going to be placing my tortilla. Allow it to fry for a few seconds per side. Okay, once it begins to harden, go ahead and fold it and begin to shape the taco. And I like for my tacos to kind of stand, so I like to create a crease here on both sides. Like that. And now it's just going back and forth until it's nice and hard. Okay, now we just repeat the process with the rest of our tortillas. Okay, so once we have our taco shells, now we can get ready to put our tacos together. Alrighty guys, and once we have our tacos, we can now get ready for the fun part. So here I already have my taco shell. Going to be getting my picadillo and stuff the taco. Going to top it with some lettuce. Going to add crema mexicana, our avocado salsa, queso cotija, and some pico de gallo. Okay, just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously so simple yet so delicious. The picadillo is so flavorful, and if you don't want it to be spicy, just stick to using 1 chile jalapeño, but please make sure that you use the chile chipotle. That's just going to give it that smoky flavor. It's honestly the best. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And of course, the avocado salsa, the cherry on top. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious tacos dorados de picadillo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.